Package main, this line tells Go that this file belongs to the main package. In Go, every file belongs to a package, and the main package is special because it's used to create programs you can run. Think of it as the main box that holds all your code. Import FMT, this line imports the FMT package. The FMT package contains tools to format text, like printing messages to the screen. By importing it, we can use these tools in our program. It's like bringing a special toolbox into your project. Func main opening brace, this line starts the definition of the main function. In Go programs, the main function is where the program begins running. When you start your program, Go looks for this function and begins here. It's like the starting line in a race. FMT println, hello, Go. This line uses the println function from the FMT package to print the message hello, Go on the screen. The FMT println part tells Go to use the println tool from the FMT toolbox. The text inside the quotes is what gets displayed. Imagine this line as giving your program a voice to say hello, Go. Closing brace, this closing brace marks the end of the main function. The braces are like the start and end of a block of code. This closing brace tells Go that we are done with the instructions inside the main function. It's like closing a door after finishing your work in a room.